Hey, I'm Raven. I'm 22 from South Carolina, and I've been a part of the LadyBoss program since August 2016. I didn't get serious until late October, early November, and that was just because I was doubting myself and I was worried I was never going to really lose the weight, so I just kept making excuses. So, what led me here was the previous year I was really dealing with some issues and my depression was getting to me, and I had gained 40 pounds in like a year. Ugh. So that was scary, and I realized that was because the whole time I was dealing with my depression, I was turning to food. You know, I had fast food every day, if not for like lunch and dinner. I wouldn't eat breakfast, but I would eat fast food for lunch and dinner. And for the weekends, we would order large pizza with the side of pasta, the breadsticks, the brownies, the wings. That was my week, and I would just shove food in my mouth because that was the only thing that made me feel happy. It was the only thing that I felt like, I got to decide what I ate, and I guess it was because I was tired of, in real life, not being able to control anything, because that's what I felt like. And so I just kept turning to food, and I kept grabbing like bags, not just one bag, but I would grab bags, multiple bags of chips, because I didn't want to miss out on like wanting a flavor, like you had to have, the sour cream and onion, the cheddar, all that. And I basically had a buffet in my house all the time. You wanted it, it was junk food, I had it. And I remember looking in the mirror and I'm like, oh, that food I've been eating, it's gotta go somewhere. Where is it going? I weighed myself, and I should not have done that, because that's when I found that I gained like 40 pounds, and it scared me because it's like, wow, I was letting this depression really get to me, and it was making me turn my body to some unhealthy thing that I didn't like. I didn't like anything about my body. I wasn't healthy. That turned into not being happy with my life. I was really, really depressed. And I remember sitting there crying, and I was like, this isn't all there is to my life. There's just no way. I'm not going to be this unhappy person forever, right? And that's when I found Kaelin and the LadyBoss program. And, I was hesitant at first when I joined, but then the community that you get surrounded with really motivated me to push myself. So I did, and it's the best thing I've ever done for myself. I am so much happier. I'm so much healthier. I love running. I love lifting weights. Like, I just feel so strong, and it's awesome. It's like I went from not wanting to be alive to not only wanting to be alive, but to make myself better in any and every way possible. And with this program and having like the meals planned out for you, having the out to eat options in case you're busy, because life is hectic, you can't plan everything, and the workouts, and it shows you how to do the workouts. And I grew stronger physically and mentally. Like, wow, I never thought I could lose 10 pounds. I've lost 10 pounds. I never thought I would get that far. And then I lost like another 10, and then another 10. And it turned into 36 pounds. That's awesome, right? And I just can't thank this program enough for everything it's done for me. I just really appreciate it. And what are you waiting for? Sign up. Join today. I love y'all. You are worth it and you got this. You deserve to love your body. Do it.